Expand the manufacturing capabilities of Fusion 360 with the machining extension, bringing efficiency to individual strategies as well as full manufacturing workflows. Increased optimization helps you reduce machine cycle times and achieve higher part quality. Steep and Shallow offers advanced parameters to optimize finishing strategies on freeform surfaces, from smooth offsets to improve machine motion and wall clearance to reduce tool marks on finished surfaces to full 5-axis collision avoidance and advanced tilting control. Reduce the total number of setups and machine complex geometry efficiently with rotary machining to get the most out of any 4-axis capabilities. Streamline the editing of even the largest and most complex toolpaths with quick toolpath modifications that trim away problematic areas and only regenerate necessary leads and links. Hole recognition not only automatically detects hole profiles, selects tools, and creates drilling operations, it intelligently orders the operations to reduce tool changes, increasing machining efficiency. In-process inspection operations streamline the inspection process and help you ship high-quality parts with limited human intervention. Optimize toolpaths, templates, and full programming workflows to run your machines more efficiently.